Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to add your own custom fonts using Elementor. Elementor comes pre-built with over 800 different Google fonts to choose from, but sometimes they're not enough, so you now have the option to add your own. So first thing you want to do is log into the backend of your website, and under Elementor tab you want to click on custom fonts. And you'll see a list of all the custom fonts that are already on your website if you have them. If not, it'll just be blank. But to add a new one, you just want to click add new. And you want to give the name of the font that you're adding. Next thing, then you want to add your different font variations. So this is if you have different font files for the different font weights and also for the different styles. So you might have several different font weight and styles, so you can upload a font file for each of them. Then you have the option to upload different versions of the file. So you have the WOOF, WOOF2, TTF, SVG, and EOT. And it's important to upload at least one in all of them. That way you have all of the browsers covered and all the browsers can support your custom font. So for example, the first one I'm going to do is for the normal style, so normal weight and normal style, and upload the TTF for that. And then I have another one for bold font, so I'm going to upload the bold and upload the TTF file for that. Then I have a font for italic, so I'm going to upload the file for that. And then I have one for bold and italic, and I'm going to upload the file for that. Again, you want to make sure you have a file for each file type, that way you have all your browsers supporting the font. But once you're done, you just click publish, just to save all your changes. And you can see the new font there now. So now when I try to edit some text, so for example this heading widget over here, if I go into typography, click on family and go all the way up, you can see a new section for custom fonts is here, and I have the fonts that I've uploaded. And if I wanted to change it to the normal one, I can. So I can upload it, I can change the styling for all the font files that I have. So I have the normal, I have the italic, and I have the bold as well. And you can upload as many files as you want for each of the weight styles, and you just upload it here and save all your changes.